Welcome, pilot. To help you get started exploring the galaxy, we'll begin by setting up your first ship. Select the Ship tab in the upper middle of your display. Here you can purchase ships and equipment upgrades. The selection is very limited at this training station. You'll find much greater variety as you travel. Since we want to buy a new ship, select Buy on the right side. On the left you see your new EC-89 combat transport vessel. Choose the color of your vessel from the palette below. You can also select and drag the ship to view different angles. Choose Purchase Selected on the lower left when you're ready to proceed. Excellent! Now your ship needs some additional equipment to be ready for flight. Select the Small Add-ons button to continue. From here you may purchase small port add-ons. More advanced ships have different port types, and other stations offer a variety of equipment. For now, choose the Training Blaster, then use the Purchase Selected button on the lower left. Lastly, you need a power cell to store energy used by your ship's weapons and jump system. Choose the free power cell, and then use the Purchase Selected button. Congratulations, pilot! You've purchased your first ship. Now that you're ready to start flying, we'll set you up with your first mission as well. Continue by selecting your PDA on the up. This is your personal data assistant, which travels with you and holds all the information about your ship, missions and surroundings. Select the available mission, then choose the Here you see the selected mission, which you may accept or decline. You must pass these first few missions in order to leave the training sector.
I am told you wish to begin pilot training.
Many more missions will become available.
As a new member of the Union, I'll do my best to teach you the most important. We're going to start out with launching your ship from the station. When you launch, your ship will drift out of the launch bay at a slow speed. Let yourself float away from the station, don't try to fly yet, and then follow the on-screen instructions. If you miss any instructions, you can press the M key to see your mission log. Go ahead and launch now, by pressing the launch button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This is your mission log, where you can see relevant mission updates and the current set of mission objectives. The bouncing M on your ship flight display indicates a new update. You can both open and close this display with M, and you can always use Escape to return to the flight display.